Hey guys, it's Ajahn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have the Boat Airdrops 431 Red. Now earlier, if you all remembered, we also made a video of the Boat Airdrops 173 and 131. But the 173 didn't work out much better in the market. If you notice, there were no LED lights on it. And if you didn't view that video, there's an ad card up here. Just after this video, you can view it too. Plus a link in the description. So this product comes on the market for around 3,000 rupees to 2,000 rupees. But if you hit the links below in the description, make sure you do that. You'll get this product only for 1,999 rupees in the market. Well, this version is much better. If you notice the packaging, just look at it. When I flip out the cover, you can see the architecture, the design of the earbud, the charging case. Every single minute detail is explained over here. The Type-C, the curves, the battery indicator, and I really like it. And even the design. Plus, you look at the box, the red glossy charging case box, it really looks insane. And of course, we're gonna test it. Now coming back on the box, what do we have? We have a Bluetooth 5.0, IPX4 water sweat resistant, auto technology, additional 16 hours battery backup, 4x time. And on the back we have stereo plus technology, 4 hours of audio, bliss per charge, 10 meters of distance in the range you can cover up, stereo calling feature, and a 2-second voice assistant. So pretty much detailed everything. Now time for unboxing it. So what do we get? Okay, here's the packaging. We get some manuals, the wire, okay, the board sticker, which I love it. Now the case, of course, the sleek design, the glossy finish. Not a big fan, but let's try it out. Let's keep them over here. Okay, Type-C cable. Then we have this card, what it's called, read me before use. Okay, I didn't have to charge the buds or the case. Some battery proportion. Okay, it's in Hindi. Let's keep it over there. What's back here? Okay, another manual. Okay, I think if the buds don't function properly, they don't charge well, don't get connect, use this one over here. This catalog, FAQ card, 1-year warranty, which we always get. The Boat products list, what they make in the market, the basic stuff, and the big manual and the catalog, how to use it, how to sync it up, the buds, the noise, sound quality, every single detailed over here, driver system. But the box, let's keep it all over here. Now the buds. Okay, I think I have to power them off, charge a bit. Let's do that and come back. So you can see over here when I'm charging it up, the LEDs, the red LEDs, you can really see that if I'm not charging it before, it's totally blank, and now it turns on red. So perfect way. And I even tested the sound quality and the connectivity. It is 10 times better than the 173. It is too loud, first of all, like the basic review I give it. It's too loud, but it is clear. It is crystal clear. And of course, if you take out the buds out of the case and put it back in, it's all set up like instant connectivity. The buds don't even play when it's in the case, and it's perfect. And if you even notice, when you take out the buds from the case, on the bud, on the Airdopes, you see another 3 LEDs, mean there's 6 LEDs on the buds and 3 on the case, mean 9 LEDs I have noticed, and LEDs glowing up. If it is less charged, it gives you 1 or 2, that's according how you charge it up. And yeah, sound quality, the build quality, the case, the glossy finish. Was not a big fan of the glossy finish. I mostly use the matte finishes cases because you get less amount of scratches and even the durability. But this case is really durable. You don't get any scratches, tested till now. And yeah, it's the best budget airdrops which Boat has removed, the 431. And hey, if you want to purchase it, there's a link in the description. Thank you for watching till the end.